As the alien attacks have become more frequent, our casualty rate has climbed. Our troop shortage is becoming a problem. We should start screening potential candidates at the barracks immediately.
Incoming transmission.
We are extremely impressed with the progress of the XCOM project thus far, Commander. Your recent results were beyond our expectations, and that is not a statement this Council makes lightly. Remember, we will be watching.
The new engineers arrived this morning, Commander. We're always glad to have more help down here.
Satellite uplink facilities at maximum capacity. Additional uplink required.
The foundry is already warmed up. I'll make sure to notify you as soon as production is finished.
I appreciate your efforts to support the research team, Commander. I've already put the new recruits to work in the lab.
Satellite uplink facilities at maximum capacity. Additional uplink required.